made it?
Asa.
Charlie,
This is called the Spider-Man wing liner.
I don't want it.
It goes everywhere.
I don't.
The funniest thing is we did this whole big spill, and then I realized that we weren't recording the thing.
No, she wasn't recording it.
We're coming to you guys, Charlie
And Asa.
We're the Tucker sisters. There's some others. Eventually, you guys will meet them. And we'll be doing a Jungle Juice / other liquor makeup drunk tutorial. So I literally, in my other vlog that we did, this is the Jungle Juice. We're gonna take a shot of this little nipper.
Oh shoot, Charlie! I never even filled my cup. That's not how you roll a taco.
I know, but this one is like, oh my god, Kobe scared me. But this one don't like, it's not like a lot of product in there, so I just want to. And no, I'm not drunk yet. I'm making like convenient for me. What?
Why do you keep rolling the taco up into a ball?
To mix dark and light together. That's what my doctor said. Trust me, you don't want to see me when I mix the two. But I'm in my own home. I want my sissy to take care of me.
No. Some of us have to get up for work in the morning. Not even
No,
better.
no, I want us to be
okay,
even. I'm not
going to spill.
Alright, so last is tray completely. Come on.
Try to put it on the table.
Okay.
That's it. Charlie.
Yes, even.
No, it's not.
No,
Charlie.
I don't want it. Yo, any girl who drinks Henny,
Oh my
you can't trust that
hoe.
You can't trust them.
Come on, Charlie. There's shit in my drink. You didn't tell me. I just outlined it.
I outlined mine.
You didn't. You didn't tell me to do that.
Look, that's my eyebrow.
No, this is not my eyebrow. I'm starting over.
No, Asa. Here's the thing. You don't have to do makeup anyway. So what's the difference?
Then I would have just left my eyebrows alone.
No, you need a little
You need a little shut
You need
your
to
mouth.
find you a man. You're 26. I won't say the next part.
Go ahead.
I won't say the next part.
ahead.
That's how you do it. Like, I'm not kidding you.
This one is so thin, though.
Listen, you gotta make them look like brother and sister, not twins.
There's no eyebrow there, Charlie.
Listen.
What do you do when you mess up?
The beauty about makeup is you can always go back and fix it. If it means now going back in here, the dip brow, and putting some more dark.
Okay, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Mine don't look like that. What? Excuse me, I didn't hear you.
I didn't say nothing.
Yes, you did.
School only for a semester.
It's too hard.
What school was?
Yeah, I don't pay attention. I have a short attention span, so.
They look good.
No, they don't. They look like they're colored on. I don't like them.
Moving on to the next step. Foundation. Alright, Ace, what found? Oh, primer first. So I'm gonna use Fenty because I want to be mattified.
I don't know what that is. I don't have
You
that.
need to be mattified, bitch. You're oily as fuck.
Oh, my hair.
But my sister, okay, let's talk about God. Literally, when I say nobody has me, like, people be like, oh, Geico. Nobody has you like Geico. No. Nobody has you like Jesus Christ.
Thanks.
I think this brow must be higher than... Is this brow higher than this brow?
Your eyebrow's so thick.
Are mine okay?
Yeah. Why?
Oh, her eyebrows is okay.
Why are yours connected?
No, thank you. I don't like honey buns.
You're lost.
I don't, not me.
So my sister lost her job.
Oh, yeah, that's what we were talking about.
Right. Go ahead.
So, it seems like every time I go on vacation from a job that I've been at, well, at least the last 2 jobs, I get a call saying that they're closing. I have to close down the store.
Ace, do your makeup while you talk.
Oh. I didn't know we were continuing. So what are you doing now? Why are you still messing with your eyebrows? That's not foundation.
No, I'm trying to figure out why is this dark stuff up right here? What is that?
Your skin?
No, it's not my skin.
What's this stuff?
Concealer. You're drunk. And your brows look good. I mean, not as good as mine, but you know, I've been doing this for some time. Oh, clear. Okay, foundation.
Do you use the flat brush? Oh
Yeah, I use this NYX brush that I'm like obsessed with. Alright, Asa, we have to be funny. We have to say something. Like, this is boring. Like, come at me.
I'm saying stuff. What do you mean?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Ooh.
Annoying.
I'm like obsessed with this foundation. It's Huda.
Hold up.
Huda. I don't even know how she's saying it, but whatever.
Shit. I think I shouldn't be using both of these foundations. Wait, so this is the brush I have. Is this good?
Yeah.
I never do it with a brush.
Okay, bitch. You know, be somebody different today.
Okay.
Be somebody's wife. Please be somebody's wife. Do you think you're gonna live with me forever?
No.
Oh, good.
I don't want to live with you now.
No, I'm just asking because, like, do you think it's more like you want to live with me forever, or I'm too scared to let you live by yourself?
I think it's you too scared to let me live by myself.
I am. You're like little. Like, you're like my little baby. Like, I'm not drunk enough for this. Shut up.
So drink some more.
Yeah, it's like so basically, long story short, I'm gonna learn how to control my liquor. I had to learn how to, I just had to learn to remember and not get so incoherent that I wake up the next day and remember what the heck went on. Like, it's not fun celebrating your 24th birthday party and having people tell you what happened because you don't know. And only way that you know what happened because you're looking at Snapchats and I literally to this day cannot watch the Snapchats of my birthday because I'm embarrassed. Like, embarrassed. Like, so it comes to the point where I literally for a good while practice how to drink but still know what's going on.
Should I use this?
So I became wait, let me see, put it on. Yeah, that's good. And it comes to the point where basically I want to do better for myself, you know, like I'm going to have kids soon. We're both using our Fenty Beauty.
Charlie's not helping me.
I don't care to help you.
I'm just following you.
Just pat, drag,
I know.
blend.
Oh.
Pat, drag, blend. Drag these bitches.
Did you pick it back up, Charlie?
No, I didn't. I gave it back to you.
You did.
Yes, I did, Asa.
Charlie, it would be right here. And this is more a makeup lesson than anything.
Yeah. You're right. Because you're just so fucking stupid. Excuse my language. This is a family channel.
You are so.
But let's be honest. You curse in front of your own children.
Keep drinking then.
Kobe offered me. You're trying to eat my honey bun.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Kobe was. Why in my face?
I have to use the bathroom so bad.
Pee on yourself. I'm like so focused right now. It's so crazy.
I think I brought it down too low.
It's the thing about makeup is,
You can do it all over again and erase it and then fix
and
it.
it's what you want to do.
Mhm, I know.
Here, you go up, bam, and then you take that same line. You start where that line is. I'm like shaking. What's because I'm on drugs right now? Just kidding. And you bring it back there, and then you fill it in. Thing is, this kind of came out pretty good versus when I'm not even sober. And then you just I think this is how they do it.
Okay. Thanks, Charlie.
Okay. Yeah, you definitely made it look a little easy, a little hard.
I feel so dizzy.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, why is the room moving like that?
It's not you. I mean, it is you.
What are you doing to my face?
Okay.
Charlie. Oh
Let
my,
me-
oh my god!
No,
This is bad.
Asa.
Charlie,
This is called the Spider-Man wing liner.
I don't want it.
It goes everywhere.
I don't, Charlie.
Come on,
I
let me
look like I
finish
got
this
a
one.
black eye.
Now here's the thing that's only going to be the problem with this one. I didn't start the other one. So,
Bad.
Asa,
Charlie,
this is called the Spider-Man wing liner.
I don't want it.
It goes everywhere.
I don't. Charlie, this sucks.
Get uncensored and basically do like an ombre kind of effect somewhere. Let's see, let's hit it right here. I'm like, and what is this on my tongue? Asa, what's this on my tongue?
The lipstick, I guess.
That's weird.
No, delete that.
Alright, well, smile.
No.
So this is the final look. You can rate us down below who did a better job in me of how well you think I did.
Okay, but we're going on a count of 3.
Right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right, open your eyes. Okay, so I think you did a 7. You think I did a 5. I did like an ombre. You see it?
No, you see my ombre? My ombre is better than yours.
Yours just look one color, sis.
It's not. It's purple dinner.
Thanks for watching our video. Again, I'm Charlie.
I'm Asa.
And make sure you guys come back to see we gonna say the Tucker Sisters together. Okay, ready? So thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm Charlie.
I'm Asa.
And make sure you come back to watch the Tucker Sisters.
The Asa Sisters.
Again. Hi guys, I'm Charlie.
I'm Asa.
And make sure you guys come back to watch the Tucker
Asa show.
Where is this remote?